Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much for taking this time with me to tend to your body, to your mind, and to your soul. Our practice today is a wonderful flow that will help you cultivate self-love. Self-love provides you with inner peace, confidence, and a peace of mind. It enables you to make healthier choices across all avenues of your life. So try to let go of any thoughts you may hold that loving yourself is selfish or egotistical. Your essence is love. Set a loving environment for yourself by lighting a candle or burning some incense, and I'll meet you seated at the back of your mat. We'll join together, sitting on your shins with your hips kissing your heels. Inhalation as you circle your arms to the sky. Reach your fingertips back before you exhale and dive it down through center, coming into our child's pose. Arms extended long, forehead grounded to the earth. Take a few deep, nourishing breaths here. Let's begin by setting a loving mood for our practice today by taking a moment to call to your mind something that you love about yourself. You may even wish to say it out loud for a stronger effect. Let's slide your palms over to the left, taking them off the mat, inviting a side body stretch along your right side from your hip, traveling all the way to your arm. Stick your right palm on top of your left to make it a little deeper if you wish. Beautiful. With loving kindness, we'll slowly slide your palms over to the right side, taking that side body stretch to the left. And once you're settled in, check in with your sits bones to ensure they're connected to your heels, rooted in. Slowly walk yourself back to center. From here, we'll slowly rise up as you sweep your fingertips behind you and lift up through your heart center, lifting your gaze. Sweep your fingertips forward, up, rising to your shins, and then reach your fingertips back as you press your hips forward. Lift up through your heart, and slowly cactus your arms, lowering your hips to your heels, arms extended long, returning to child's pose. We'll take this flow 2 more times. So let's sweep your fingertips behind you, lifting your heart. I like to visualize I'm sending love out here, like a Care Bear radiating love and light from my heart center to someone specific or just all beings. Sweep your fingertips forward, up and back as you rise up, taking it into a back bend. And release down, coming into your extended child's pose, forehead kissing the mat. One more round, fingertips come behind you, heart lifts, radiating love to others if you wish. And then sweep forward, up and back, rising to your shins. And then hips sink to your heels for child's pose. Beautiful, my friend. Let's warm up the spine even more by rounding forward, and then lower your hips into up dog with your knees to the mat to start. Take your shoulder heads back. And tuck your toes and press your hips up to downward facing dog. With this being our first down dog, let's just hang out here for a moment. So go ahead and take any feel-good moves that are calling to you to help open your body. Fingers spread wide, pressing down in your thumbs and in your index finger. From our down dog, ripple through your spine, waving forward, lowering your hips into upward facing dog. We'll press up to down dog, letting your sternum fall towards the mat. And then take that ripple, that wave of your spine forward, lowering your hips to up dog. Now lift through your lower belly and your pelvic floor, pressing to down dog. Heels sink to the mat. And take that wave of your spine forward once more, coming to your upward dog. And lift, returning to down dog. On your inhale, we'll extend your right leg to the sky. And exhale, step it through center. Lower your back knee to the mat, coming into low lunge. Knees stacked over your ankle, legs on 2 separate tracks. Once your foundation is set, breathe in and extend your fingertips up to the sky. Hips squared at the front of the mat and melting forward and down into the pose. Lower your left hand to the mat. Opposite fingertips reach up to the sky, coming into an easy twist. Keep length in your spine as you twist. Knit your front ribs together and draw your left rib cage towards your knee to help deepen this twist. Sweep your top fingertips down to frame your front foot. Tuck your back toes and press up. We'll step front foot to meet the back, coming for plank pose. Then lower to chaturanga and press up to upward facing dog. Then I'll meet you in down dog. And we'll take that to the other side. On your inhale, your left toes extend to the sky. And on your exhalation, step it through center. Back knee lowers the mat for low lunge. Front knee stacked over your ankle, hips squared to the front of the mat, sinking into the pose. Once you're ready, breathe in and extend those fingertips up to the sky. Lower your right hand to the mat. Open opposite fingertips to the sky, coming into our twist. Stay open in your chest. Knit your front ribs together and draw your right rib cage towards your knee. And we'll sweep your top fingertips down to frame your front foot. Tuck your back toes and press up. Step front foot to meet the back, and this time lift your hips to down dog. We'll glance forward and step one foot forward and then the other, coming into our forward fold. Feet hip width apart. And if you'd like to clasp opposite elbows, go ahead and do so, or maybe take a sway side to side. And just let everything weigh heavy here and enjoy the forward fold. Release your fingertips to the mat, and we'll breathe in, lift halfway, finding a flat back. Exhale, soften and release. Big, beautiful, loving breath in, circling your fingertips to the sky. Palms kiss at the top, and we lower prayer to heart center. Breathe in, circling fingertips down, around and up. Palms kiss, and reach the fingertips back, taking into a back bend before you dive it down through center. From our forward fold, let's step your right foot back, coming into runner's lunge. Your back leg's strong, heel pressing towards the mat. Inner thighs hugging toward each other to help square the hips up. Then lift up through your heart as your shoulder heads draw back. Right palm comes to the mat. Lift your opposite fingertips to the sky and lift your gaze toward your extended fingertips. One shoulder stacking on top of the other. Staying in our twist with control, go ahead and rise up, staying open to the left side space. Fingertips reaching in opposite directions. And then lower your back hand to your thigh as the opposite reaches up and back. Feel a nice lengthening sensation from the front of your right hip traveling all the way up your front body into your arm. Stay with your breath here, staying strong in your body in this pose. Good work. Let's open back up to the left side space, and then circle your back arm down and up, coming into our high lunge. Go ahead and lower your back heel so your foot is parallel with the short edge of the mat. When you're ready, fan your arms, coming into our warrior two pose. And let's broaden across your collarbone. Lower your shoulders and lift up through your chest. Gaze over your front fingertips. Straighten your front leg and turn your front toes to the side of the mat. And take a big breath in of love for yourself as you circle your fingertips to the sky. And exhale, cactus your arms as you slowly hinge forward at your hips, coming into your wide leg forward fold. The crown of your head releases towards the mat. You can clasp opposite elbows here if you wish. Release your fingertips to the mat. And on your inhalation, we'll lift up to flat back, finding a long spine. Bring your hands to your hips and rise up the rest of the way. Turn your back toes to point to the back of the mat and fan your hands down to frame your front foot, coming into our runner's lunge on the second side. Let your hips sink as you lift your gaze. Back heel yearning towards the mat. Engage your inner thighs, hugging together. Left palm lowers to the mat, and on your inhalation, lift your opposite fingers up to the sky, taking our twist on the second side. Let your gaze follow the top fingertips, stacking one shoulder on top of the other. We'll mindfully begin to lift your torso, twist coming from your navel, opening to the right side space. Keeping distance between your shoulders and your ears. Now let's lower your back hand to your thigh as the opposite reaches up and back. Just noticing the sensations this pose offers to your body. Good work, my friend. We'll slowly open back up to the right side space. And circle your back arm down and up, coming into your high lunge. Moving into our warrior two pose next. So lower your back heel so your foot is parallel with the edge of the mat. When you're ready, fan your arms, fingertips reaching in opposite directions. A nice wide stance so your front thigh lowers parallel with the mat. Straighten your front leg, and we'll make our way back to the front of the mat. So turn your toes to the side of the mat, and then your front toes open back up to the front of the mat. Fingertips lower to frame your front foot steps to meet the back. Lifting your hips to down dog. And let's take that wave of the spine through center, coming into plank pose. And then in one long line, we'll slowly lower yourself to the mat. Slide your palms forward, bringing your elbows in line with your shoulders. Just notice here where you feel your heartbeat at in your body. With your heart shining here in Sphinx pose, on your inhalations, breathe in this beautiful, bright white light full of love and light. Breathing it in through your nostrils and watching it as it travels through your body, coating every square inch of your body with love and light. And exhale, release and soften your body, feeling the support of the earth beneath you. Let's do that again. So visualize that beautiful bright white light that's full of love and light. Now slow and steady inhalation, breathing in this glowing light of love, filling your body up from top to bottom as you breathe in. And exhale, soften, and take a moment to feel the love and light within. Beautiful, my friend. Let's slide your palms under your shoulders and press yourself back, making our way into a wide knees child's pose, bringing your knees as wide as you'd like. Big toes kiss, hips resting to heels. In our child's pose, go ahead and bend into both your elbows. Bring your hands into prayer and draw your hands towards the back of your neck, so it'll look a little like a shark fin. You can walk your elbows forward if you'd like to help deepen the stretch. As you breathe into this pose, take a moment to call to mind one thing that you love about your body. All right, my friend, go ahead and extend your arms long once more. And slowly press yourself up. Bring your knees in and sit off to the side of your feet. We're going to take butterfly pose next. So bring your soles of feet to kiss and knees open wide. You can clasp your feet or maybe your shins. And once you're ready, breathe in, finding that beautiful long spine of yours. And on your exhalation, slowly hinge forward at your hips. And once you can't fold forward anymore without rounding in your spine, we'll stop right there. And just hold it, maintaining that long spine by letting your heart guide you forward. Let's soften and round the spine forward. Slowly rise up, cross your legs coming into easy seat. Palms to your knees and close those eyes. Take a full breath in as you lengthen up and exhale a sigh out your mouth. Breathe in through your nose, feeling your body expand and rise. And exhale a sigh out your mouth, letting go. One more time. Full deep breath in through your nose. And exhale a sigh, letting go of what no longer serves you. Take a big, beautiful breath in, circling your fingertips to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss at the top, sealing that love and light into your aura. And now bring all that love and light down to heart center. Take a moment here to fill yourself up with this love. And maybe send it out to others if you'd like. Beautiful practice today, my friend. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to throw the video a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know what you love about yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest yoga love released each week. From my heart to yours.